how to activate RBC credit card using mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to activate your RBC credit card using your mobile app. So for that, you need to go and log in into your account, and due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the procedures. Once you're logged into your account, then you have to go to your profile icon, and from there go to cards. Under it, you'll be able to see two different options, either to authorize card or to activate it. Click on activate and accordingly enter in the following information, set a pin, and you've successfully activated your credit card. However, if you don't want to do that procedure, then you can also use the web browser. So for that, you need to go ahead and open up a new tab. On the web address bar, you need to type in www.apps.royalbank.com, and that's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and activate your credit card. So here you can go ahead and provide in your credit card number, click on activate or start activation. Next, enter in the CVV code, and after you create a PIN, you've successfully activated your credit card on RBC. So that is how you can activate your credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.